Now, the Ugandan High Court has dismissed a case seeking to compel security officials to produce missing activists Bob Njagi and Oyoo. In his ruling, Justice Simon Peter Kinobe says the Ugandan police force and Ugandan People's Defense Forces complied with court orders by submitting that the two were not in their custody. The court has categorized the two as missing persons and urged their lawyers to follow up the matter with the police. Meanwhile, in Kenya, activists protesting the abduction chained themselves at Foreign Affairs offices demanding resignation of Cabinet Secretary and PCS Musalia Mudavadi. Njagi reports.
Shackles and a clamor for freedom for missing activists Bob Njagi and Oyoo, believed to be held by Ugandan authorities. But it is a fleeting cry from answers given by the Ugandan High Court. A ruling delivered by Justice Simon Peter Kinobe dismissed a habeas corpus case filed by two Ugandan lawyers seeking to have Ugandan security agencies to produce the two. Justice Kinobe, who had directed Ugandan police force and Uganda People's Defense Forces to produce the two, says the security agencies complied with court directives after submitting their responses stating the two were not in their custody. He states, and I quote, "I find that one cannot squeeze blood from a stone. The state can only produce what it has, and it would therefore be unrealistic to expect the desired outcome from circumstances that could not, in any case, yield it." With that, the court categorized Njagi and Oyoo as missing persons. Justice Kinobe urged the counsel representing the two to file a missing person report with the Uganda police force, who are charged with leading investigations into cases of missing persons. Activists who have been pushing for the release of their colleagues took their cries to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. They chained themselves at the main entrance, where they camped for over 3 hours. Their demand: immediate and unconditional release of Bob Njagi and Oyoo.
We are occupying the Foreign Affairs office. We are here at the entrance. We are not going home. We are not relenting until Bob Njagi and Oyoo are released immediately by the abductors.
And we are aware that the government is complicit in all this.
Yes.
And that is why we are demanding for the immediate resignation of the Cabinet Secretary for Foreign Affairs, Mr. Musalia Mudavadi.
Yes.
Efforts by police and ministry officials to engage the group failed, as they demanded for audience with either the Cabinet Secretary, Musalia Mudavadi, or Principal Secretary Korir Singoe, who they claim have failed to secure the release of the two. Vocal Africa, in a letter to the Ministry of Foreign Affairs, has urged the government to issue a formal and firm diplomatic protest to the government of Uganda, demanding the immediate disclosure of their whereabouts, activate regional and international human rights mechanisms to probe the cross-border disappearance.
Down with silence, down! Down!
Njagi, Citizen TV, Nairobi.
With human rights.